Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Today I'm participating in a fall challenge that's being hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. It's called the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge 2020. So I'm using a little tea kettle that I picked up from Goodwill during my last trip, and I didn't haul this because I wanted to use it for this video. And it was only it was marked at $3, but I got it for $1.50 because it was half off day for yellow. So I'm going to clean this up with some Clorox cleaner because of, the virus that's out there. So I'm so happy that I checked Denise's channel to see that she was hosting this fall kitchen vignette challenge. She does this seasonally. So I thought, well, you know what? Let me go over there really fast and check out her channel and see if she's hosting this challenge again, and I'll jump in. And I'm so happy that she's doing this. It gives me a chance to use this blue and white teapot and put it with some of my fall decorations. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of thrifting hauls and upcycling of thrifted furniture, and I love to paint all kinds of thrifted pieces that I pick up. So hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out Denise's channel. That's This and That with Denise Jordan. So I'm going to clean this little teapot up and see if I can put it with some fall stuff. So stick around. Ta-da! I love it. I love it. This is all of the decor that's left over from last year and previous years, and I was so happy that I'm able to use my blue and white and put some fall decor in it. Well, Denise asked that we just have some fall decor, floral, could be faux or real, something that signifies fall and the harvest. And I do have some little pumpkins in there and acorns and what have you. I am so happy about this. Hey guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back to the channel because I'll be doing upcoming videos where I'll be upcycling a lot of thrifted things that I've had that I needed to paint or do something with. So come back and check those out. I'm so excited about this little blue and white teapot. It goes with my present decor that I have in the kitchen and around the house. And the pops of orange, oh my God, how nice, right? Sometimes I shy away from using the traditional colors for fall, but look at this, and it actually matches the painting that's in my kitchen. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Thanks, and have an awesome, awesome day. Don't forget to check out the playlist that will be listed in the description box.